In the sky where shadows play, charged whispers stir the air. Clouds collide in electric sway, a spark ignites the flare. Iron paths begin to thread, invisible, bold and bright. Forking fingers dance ahead, carving trails of light. A leader leaps, a jagged spear, seeking Earth's embrace below. Returning stroke, a flash so clear, a fierce, resplendent glow. Air ignites with sudden heat, expands and sounds wild roar. Thunder rolls in mighty beat, echoes shake the core.
Feel the power raw and true, nature's fierce electric game. Lightning's dance, a brilliant cue, the storm calls out its name.
Crash, the thunder breaks the night. A symphony of storms delight.